Given its name, lady's mantle, it's not surprising that it's helpful with painful or heavy menstrual periods or menopausal symptoms. But the herb is also highly acclaimed for the natural treatment of bloating, common digestive problems like diarrhea, sore throats, diabetes, fluid retention, and muscle spasms. A tea that combines lady's mantle, lemon balm, and red raspberry leaf is known as happy womb tea. Many herbalists use it for its ability to soothe the aches and the pains of menstruation, and even to make the menstrual flow lighter. Research supports the use of lady's mantle for menstrual cramps. A study with an animal model demonstrates how Alchemilia vulgaris has vasorelaxant effects. This means it can help to reduce stress on the walls of blood vessels. These vasorelaxant effects make it useful for the pain and the cramps, and the study also points to the possibility of the lady's mantle being useful for cardiovascular disorders, especially cases of high blood pressure. In general, there's a hormonal change that occurs in women during the menopause, and this can lead to hot flashes, mood swings, insomnia, and other common symptoms. Many expert herbalists include lady's mantle on their list of recommended herbs for the menopause, as it's considered to be both uterine astringent and a uterine tonic. When it comes to the menopause, the lady's mantle has a reputation among herbalists for being an effective remedy for symptoms like hot flashes and anxiety. Most people want to know how to stop diarrhea quickly, and herbs like lady's mantle that contain chemicals called tannins are traditionally used to dry up excessively watery secretions that occur in the cases of diarrhea. A published animal study examined extracts from the areola and the roots of the lady's mantle. The researchers used diabetic mice to test whether or not the extracts could lower the blood sugar while also protecting the liver of the animals. While the extracts did not appear to lower the blood sugar, the liver effects were very positive. Both the areola and the root extracts showed liver protective activity and significantly reduced liver enzymes at doses of 100 milligrams per kg. Another impressive attribute of the lady's mantle is its antiviral ability. A study examined the antiviral activity of the bioactive substances extracted from the roots and the areola parts. Overall, the lady's mantle was shown to have a dose-dependent antiviral effect. The extract that showed the highest antiviral activity in vitro was the root extract, which is the highest in catechins. Lady's mantle is generally considered safe for most people when taken in the proper dose. Some German researchers have warned of possible liver damage, but other experts consider these concerns overblown. The herbal remedy is not recommended for pregnant or lactating women. Some herbalists recommend drinking lady's mantle tea in the last weeks of pregnancy to prepare the uterus for delivery and to prevent bleeding, but you should always check with a doctor before using any herb during pregnancy. It's a good idea to have the lady's mantle tea when digestive problems or a sore throat occur. In addition to drinking the tea, it can also be used for gargling for the sore throat. You can make the tea by combining a tablespoon of the dried herb to boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes before straining and then drinking the tea. The longer you steep, the more potent the tea will be. The dose of the lady's mantle can depend on several factors, including the state of health of the patient. To date, there's no clinical evidence to support specific dose recommendations, but the traditional use for diarrhea is 5 to 10 grams per day. The two types of this herb used medicinally are Alchemilia vulgaris, also known as the common lady's mantle, and Alchemilia mollis. It's been used as a traditional herbal remedy for centuries. The possible benefits include its ability to aid painful or heavy menstruation, menopausal symptoms, and gastrointestinal concerns like diarrhea. The herb has also been shown in scientific research to have protective and antiviral properties for the liver. You can use it in a variety of ways, including tea or a tincture. Some herbalists recommend the tea to help women to prepare for and recover from childbirth, but always check with a doctor first. More research is needed, but the lady's mantle shows some hope as a herbal remedy that can also help with weight loss. For more on herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.